This recipe is on how to make spicy Zobo drink. Don't forget to like this video and leave your comment. These are my hibiscus leaves and I'll be pouring them in clean water to get it quickly cleaned as quick as possible. The idea here is to be very fast. This is because you can already see that the water is turning purple, so you don't want to leave the leaves in the water for too long. Other people call these leaves hibiscus leaves. Some people call it sorrel leaves, but in Nigeria we call it Zobo leaves because it is the leaves. These leaves are the leaves we use to make the popular Zobo drink, which I'll be showing you how to make it spicy version in this recipe. So if you like to drink spicy drinks or you like spicy food, not so spicy anyway, but a little bit spicy, like this video. Now let's cook. I'll pour the leaves in this water and I'll be adding pineapple peel. I'll also be adding cinnamon stick, eru, or what they call negro pepper. I'll be adding some black pepper, some cloves, chili pepper, sliced ginger. Now I'll mix all of this well, mix it properly, and then I'll cover it and let it cook for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you can see that my drink is already boiling, so I'll add sugar. I like to add sugar while it's boiling because it helps the sugar dissolve fast and easily. Now I'm mixing it properly again, and then I'll cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, here is my cooked Zobo and it's time to sieve it out. I'll be using these ingredients to cook another small batch of Zobo after sieving it. But the first things first, yeah? Let's sieve the Zobo drink first. So I'm sieving the Zobo drink into the big bowl underneath the basket. After sieving, I'll pour all these ingredients back into the pot. Yes, and then I'll set the drink aside. Now it's time to cook the ingredients again. I'm adding some water, not a lot of water this time, and I'll cook it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, this is my Zobo drink, and I'm sieving it one more time again into this big bowl of Zobo drink. If you followed my videos to this point, come on, give me a thumbs up, please. Like this video, leave your comment, share this video, subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I love it when I get new subscribers, so please subscribe to my channel. Now, after doing all of this, I'm just going to do a little bit of cleanup, yeah, because the drink has messed the place up a little bit. So after doing my cleanup, I'm still going to sieve this Zobo drink again, but this time I'll use a sieve with smaller holes. It's just to make the drink smooth, you know, as smooth as possible. You don't want particles in your drink. Trust me, it tastes better without particles in it. So you can already see some of the particles that I'm sieving now. These particles would have gone into the drink if I didn't sieve them out. So this is the reason why I sieve my Zobo drink about 2 to 3 times. I'm still going to sieve it one more time, yeah? But before I do that, I'll just set this drink aside and let it cool down. And then I'll bring out my bowl filled with my sterilized plastic bottles. Here they are. And now it's time to pour the Zobo drink, the cold Zobo drink, into these plastic bottles. Of course, one more time. Here is my multi-purpose sieve. It acts as a sieve and as a funnel. So I'm going to be using this to sieve the drink again while pouring the drink into the bottle. Talk of killing 2 birds with 1 stone, yeah? Oh, that's me. Okay, so now I'm done pouring all the drinks in the bottles, and I'll be, you know, putting the lid or the caps covering the bottles. And here is my chilled spicy Zobo drink ready to be enjoyed. So let me pour some in a cup for you to see and just make you feel like trying this recipe. Yeah, don't forget, good food should be enjoyed always.